All right, welcome back, Blasian Nation. Kamiko and I are here in New York City to film part 3 of our baby announcement series.
In this video, we are going to show you our reverse gender reveal. Now, if you've never heard of a reverse gender reveal, it's basically where the parents know the gender of the baby, but all of the family and friends do not. So it's a complete surprise for everybody else. So part of the reason why we chose a reverse gender reveal is that we travel for work. So we are all over the place and all of our family is all over the United States. So it wasn't really feasible for us to have one big party with everybody there to do a gender reveal.
If you want to know the steps to a reverse gender reveal, watch closely. Here we go.
So step 1, you're going to want to get your RSVPs at least 3 weeks ahead of time.
2, order your supplies.
3, mail everything off. We chose to do FedEx 2-day delivery to ensure that everything got there on time.
4, schedule your Zoom meeting. Step 5,
do your reveal.
Guys, so after you've done all these steps,
here's the reactions you're gonna get from your friends and family. Okay, everybody ready with your packages and your poppers?
ready?
All right, 3, 2, 1, open!
Boy!
Yeah!
Oh, that's terrible! Boy!
Oh, I have a mess to clean up.
Mama said
So happy. Boy.
now it's doing. Okay. Love it. Okay. 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 Hang on. Okay. Team boy.
2, 1, open!
Mama said she's having a boy.
Hooray! Congratulations! It's a boy!
I said it was a boy.
Mama said she's having a boy. It's okay.
I guess I gotta take all back all those cute girl clothes I have.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it.
2, 1, open!
Mama said
Congratulations!
Yes, Auntie. I'm a new auntie. I'll be a new auntie. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure I hit the button in time to catch it right when I was doing it, but I'm so happy. Congratulations, you two. I love you guys. Here's my reveal, and I am so happy. Oh my gosh. I hope it got all the reaction of me opening this. This was a great idea. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye-bye.
Mama said she's having a boy. Mama said she's having a boy. Okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness.
gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Congratulations.
I love it. Oh,
What's y'all's guess?
Boy.
Okay.
Boy. Girl.
Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Scratch it off.
Yes. I was right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Boy being your first thing is awesome.
It's awesome. You can get scars and you can drop them. You're like, get up.
I knew it.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very exciting.
What do you think it is? You think it's a girl? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I love it.
It's a boy.
3, 2, 1. Scratch. Yeah! You did. Y'all guessed good. And this guy over here cheated. Yeah! We did it! Thank you! You knew?
Scratch. Scratch.
Okay.
Scratch.
Oh, you have to scratch. Oh, okay. Even on the thing.
We just talked about that. It's gonna be a boy.
Oh my
I
God.
told you.
Congratulations, baby boy Slytherin. And
Like, oh, I haven't had morning sickness and all this XYZ. I said I'm not gonna project my stuff on her. I said she's having a boy. I'm big team boy. Because
well, the digital scratch off. It's so
she was
cute.
saying no, she didn't have any swelling. I was like, yeah, this is a boy. My daughter took everything from me.
Boy. You having a boy. I knew it was a boy.
And you said it?
Are they having a boy or girl? It's a boy! Woo! Is it a boy, Chris? It's a boy, everybody! It's a boy! It's a boy! I knew it! Oh my God! I knew it. I can't believe this, guys. You can't believe it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Because I know my cousin. When I said it was a girl and I was going on and on about it being a girl, the expression all over your face. You ain't got to say a word. I know my little cousin. Congratulations.
Oh! I knew it.
We were right. We were right, baby.
I know.
Yay, team boy.
Congratulations! Congratulations, Miko and Bruce.
All right, guys. So that was the gender reveal. We're having a boy. How did you like it?
I loved it.
It was amazing.
That was amazing.
It was great.
Best 10 minutes ever.
Yes. It was good. A little stressful. I'm not gonna lie. That was stressful.
That was stressful. We tried to throw everybody off with our
This
mauve
is
shirts.
Mauve. You gotta
Mauve.
pronounce every letter.
I thought it was gonna be more purple when I ordered it. I ordered this before we even got pregnant.
Yeah.
And turns out it's pink.
Just throw some people off.
Yeah.
We're having a boy.
We're having a boy.
All right. See you guys next time.